today you'll be learning a very efficient application that would help you reach your students quickly. So if you're not a fan of them contacting you or reaching you in your social media accounts, there is an app for you, and we call that as Google Chat. So it's a learning space that you can access to set a certain chat thread or a quick forum to answer questions of the students relative to your lesson. You can also assign tasks and even upload some class material. So let's try to use, or install rather, the Google Chat application. So just hit App Store if you're using iPhone, then look for Chat. So there are a handful of them. Let's try to trim down the search. Let's have Google Chat. And there you have it there. Just click open. So if you notice, I was able to launch the app immediately because I was able to install it previously. So there are two items here: chat, new chat. If you wanted to really look for someone and message him or her directly, just type in the email and then you're good to go. And then if you wanted to focus on really handling a certain group or the class, just hit the icon with several people, the one on the right, and then you have their different spaces. So this is what I want you to often use as teachers or students. So there's automatically a space for each one. So let's click this Adams. If you notice, I already have some files installed or uploaded. Usually these are handouts and a quick welcome message. I even have a link available. Then if the kids would click on the link, just choose a certain account and you can access the link. If it's a classroom that you need to join, just click join class and you're good to go. So that easy. Likewise, when you are using an Android device, just visit the Play Store app, search for the app Chat, then from the choices here, click Google Chat, hit install, just wait for it to get verified. Once installation is done, just click open and you will be routed here. So there's nothing in chat because no one sent you a private message. You can also have here the burger icon, upper left, 3 horizontal bars to set your status, whether automatically you're online, or if you're studying at the moment, you can just go for do not disturb and then assign a specific time as to when chat notifications would come in. However, you can also just go for set as away or really add a specific status. Choose from the items here or indicate your own. I'll hit close because I just want people to know that I'm online. Another option here would be settings. So, of course, if you wanted to get notified, just, tap that mobile notification. Sounds, if you wanted to have sound, usually I'd go for the default and then smart reply if you wanted to have smart suggestions or automatic responses, theme set by battery saver, and so on. So you can block users as well, but let's not go into that just yet. Let's go back to the homepage. Our focus for this video would be on spaces. So as you can see here, spaces that I have are only 2. This is how it looks like. So you can see a lot of videos, links, and even files being shared. So you have chat section, files, and then task if there are any. So the teachers usually are the ones who set that. However, I want you to see the spaces that we have for the class. I'll just change my account, check the space for your section. Let's say you're from Anderson. So here I already have a link ready. So what is this link for? It's the Google Classroom link. Just click that and you'll automatically be routed to our official Google Classroom. So simple as that, guys. I hope you can manage to check your learning space. Take care.